Hello friends, welcome back to Feasty Sisters. We have an authentic would-be dish today prepared using jackfruit. I'll be sharing an easy way to prepare this dish using semolina or rava. Let's dive straight into this recipe now. I have 500 grams of jackfruit pods. Let's blend them into a smooth pulp. Now take this pulp into a mixing bowl. To the jackfruit pulp, add half cup of jaggery. The jackfruit pods which I had were pretty sweet. You can vary the amount of jaggery depending on the sweetness of your jackfruit pods. Meanwhile, grind 1 cup of freshly grated coconut into a coarse paste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Dry roast 2 cups of semolina or rava until warm and let it cool. Now combine this into the jackfruit pulp. Altogether, it should form a thick batter. If you find the batter to be watery, add an additional semolina or rava. Traditionally, it is prepared using teak leaves. Wash the leaf, pour a ladleful of batter and start folding the leaf this way. Make sure the batter is locked in well. So if you have a smaller leaf, reduce the amount of batter that is to be packed inside the leaf. Similarly, prepare the remaining leaf packets. Place these leaf packets inside a hot steamer and let them cook for a good 30 minutes. The jackfruit gidde, as it is famously called, is now ready to be devoured with a dollop of ghee or honey on top. If you liked drooling over this divine sweet dish, please do share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.